make a one-time payment, first log in. If you have multiple accounts, select the one you want to make a payment on using the carousel. Next, in the Current Bill tile, select Make a Payment. Note that you can still select different products with the smaller carousel at the top of the Make a Payment page. Here you can see your amount due, due date, and days remaining until due. Select View Details to see what's included in the amount due, such as any fees if applicable. And you can see if you already have any payments scheduled on or before the due date. The default payment type is a one-time payment, and the default payment amount is your full amount due. You can customize the payment amount and schedule for today or a later date. If this is a retail account, you can also click here to pay an additional principal amount and enter the additional principal-only payment. Next, you'll need to add a new payment source if you haven't already. Click Add New Payment Source. Give it a nickname. Select the account type and enter your routing number. Your bank name will be confirmed below. Then enter your bank account number twice to confirm it. Review the terms and conditions, click Add Payment Source, and confirm. Once saved, you won't have to enter your payment source again next time. Now you are ready to select Review Payment. Confirm that all of your information is correct. Note that the total amount here may include any additional principal payment for retail or non-lease accounts. Finally, click Submit. That's it. You can print or save a copy of your payment confirmation. Now you know how to make a one-time payment. See our video on Easy Pay to learn how to set up recurring automatic payments.